Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Thursday as we continue to watch our winter storm push east of the Mississippi River Valley. It's now heading into the mid-Atlantic. Parts of the Gulf Coast still dealing with some of that wintry precip, but then eventually into the northeast, kind of wrapping up late tonight and early tomorrow. And then behind it, in the wake of the storm system, turning much colder, but briefly. We are expecting a major pattern shift heading into the weekend and early next week as the upper level winds become a little more zonal or west to east. All right, let's take you out to Bowling Green, Kentucky. This was from early this morning. Prior to sunrise, some big flakes flying. In fact, nearly 18 to 24 inches of snow falling in the central part of the Commonwealth. This was the view from Paducah, Kentucky from this morning as the sun was coming up, and you can see the snow-covered roadways there. But from earlier today in Texas, all the way to the northeast, you can see a number of winter weather headlines, including a number of winter storm warnings. Again, likely to see these starting to end by midday and into the late afternoon and evening, but then continuing overnight tonight through early tomorrow in portions of the northeast there. So our forecast, again, showing that wintry precip still affecting places in the Gulf Coast through this afternoon, but eventually here through the mid-Atlantic and into the northeast by late tonight and early tomorrow, things begin to shut off. And as I mentioned, it will be much colder in the wake of this cold front and storm system. Temperatures actually getting down into some record levels, and then a few clippers kind of diving into the Great Lakes over the next several days, bringing in just a little bit of precipitation, nothing significant, but starting to finally see this moisture in the southeastern part of the country kind of erode. And then there's your snowfall additional from early this morning into tonight. Some of the heaviest, again, working into portions of New Jersey and Long Island. There's a cold pocket of air. And again, noting the upper level winds, the jet stream becoming a little more zonal or west to east as we head into next week, which will allow some milder air to settle on in. But today still is going to be chilly, and especially tonight off to the north.